There's too many people here. I'm going for the middle chest. Is this real, dude? Oh! Did you just really hit me? Dovahkiin, can you help me? I'm really... Thanks. He's coming here. Let's go. Okay, they're dead. Oh, the guy is... Oh, I hit him with the nose. GG, brother.
Yep, he's dead.
Good job. Oh, I got
Nice.
shot from behind. There's a guy on me. I'm gonna pop these minis.
What the fuck? Nice.
Don't worry, dude. I'm gonna rest you real fast.
And I think I'm gonna carry the P90.
Okay. Oh, I see this guy. I knocked him.
Nice. Oh, they are here.
Yeah, I know. Okay, one of them is knocked again. Oh, Dovahkiin, I could kill this guy. You built it.
Oh, sorry, man.
I'm coming. Okay, he's going away.
He's gonna be.
Ah, he's dead.
Oh, nice. Very nice job,
Everyone is
Cactus.
dead. I have 6 kills.
You're fucking laser, man.
Yes, I sniped everyone. I just killed 5.
Okay, Pain is down. Let's follow him. So let's follow him.
Okay. Oh my god, I got him! I got this guy.
Nice. Very nice. Very nice.
I see the other guy at northeast. He's hitting this tree.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. I wanna snipe you. Come here, buddy. Ah, you're a noob.
Okay, Cactus, go here. Up, Pain.
Okay, one moment. I need to kill this guy, he's alone. He's dead. I'm coming. One sec, guys. He's the last guy. Wait. Okay, never mind.
Easy.
GG, guys. That was a clean game.
Very nice job, dude. Nice. I have only 3 kills, but
Never mind.
oh, two kills, but it's okay.
GG.
I'm not a Fortnite pro.